Hey everyone, if you have incorporated a business in Canada, you already know the paperwork never really stops. But here is the thing nobody talks about. How to order corporate document when you need proof of anything. I have organized everything you might need as a business owner. And here are the video title. You'll find this series on link in the description.
This is the link to the website. This link will be there in the description, or you can search by coming to Corporation Canada online filing center, and here you can see all the services, how much it cost. In some cases there are charges, and in some cases they are free. Once you click on sign in, come to this page. Here you see, to access the service you must sign in or create an account using one of the following option. One is GC key, and this will allow you to conduct online business with various government program and services. The other one is sign in partner, where you access government service using your online bank or participating sign in partner with Interact. Here I will be going with GC key, and I have made a video on how to do the sign up for the first time. In case you are not able to do this, you can go and check that out. Once you click on GC key, if you're doing for the first time, this is where you will come and sign up and enable the service. That I have the username and password, I'm entering that, and then sign in. You come to this page and click continue. Now that you are here back in the page and you have logged in, you will be able to see everything just like before, but this is on your logged in page. To order copy of corporate document, this is free. All you have to do is click here. Here you see order copies of corporate document, that is charter documents such as certificate of incorporation, amendments to articles, changes regarding director, changes of registered office address, bylaw of not-for-profit corporation, and not-for-profit corporation financial statement. All of this you can get, and if you're getting this online for business and not-for-profit, this is free. You will need corporate name and corporate number, and then type of document, for example article of amendment or incorporation, the annual return for the specific year, and then contact name, phone and email address. Once you have this, click here order copies. Here you will either enter the corporate name, corporate number or business number, and once you enter that and click search, you will be able to see the corporate name, status, and then the corporate detail including the registered office address. Once you come down and click next, we are now on step 1, and here the details are shown. Once we come down, you can see available immediately. Here in this section availability, this is shown, and that means once I go ahead and submit, it will be available immediately. If it shows 24 hours, it will be available within 1 business day. So here you can see all of this shows as tick, and once you have a look at the document what you want, here I have selected the documents what I want, and once that is done, come down and click next. Here you are on step 2, enter contact information. The entries are already made, and you just verify that. In case you want any email address additional, that can be added here, and then click next. The last step is to review, and here just go through. You can see the 3 documents I had selected shows up here, and then once you come down here, all you do is click finish. Once you do that, the details, all the documents will be there in your email.